Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize estimated tax payments with IRS Direct Pay step by step clearly. To authorize estimated tax payments using IRS Direct Pay, start by navigating to the IRS website. Locate the Direct Pay option on the home page. Click on the Direct Pay link to access the service. You will be directed to a new page that explains the Direct Pay process. Scroll down to find the Make a Payment button. Select the button to proceed with your payment. On the next page, choose the type of payment you need to make. For estimated tax payments, select Estimated Tax from the options provided. You will be asked to select the tax year for which you are making the payment. Choose the appropriate tax year from the drop-down menu. Now, enter your payment amount in the specified field. Next, you will need to provide your personal information. Fill in your name as it appears on your tax return. Enter your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Input your mailing address, ensuring it matches your tax records. Proceed by clicking the Continue button to move forward. You will also need to verify your identity by entering your date of birth. Next, choose your payment date. You can make your payment on the current day or schedule it for a later date. After selecting your payment date, review all information entered for accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to the next step. You will be required to authorize your payment. Read the terms and conditions presented by the IRS. If you agree, indicate your acceptance by checking the appropriate box. Finally, submit your payment by clicking the Submit button. Your payment authorization will be processed, and you will receive a confirmation of your transaction. Keep this confirmation for your records as proof of your estimated tax payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.